Video we are going to see some of the basic Maven commands. So in my previous video I just used only the Maven version command. So Maven version, it will list the Maven version and also some of the information about the OS and JDK, that kind of things. So that's the one command, Maven version. And another command that we usually use is Maven generate. So we can see how we will use that one, creating a Maven project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to my workspace. In my workspace, I have something and I am going to create a new directory. Since it is a Java project, I, I will focus on Java and I will create a directory here, Maven. Okay, so I'm moving into that project. Then here I'm going to create a new Maven project. So archetype generate. So it will generate a project. Choose a number or apply a filter. So I have so many options. So here I have almost 2500 options. So I'm not going for all of that. So I need only a couple of things. So I'm going to, maybe I need to find one of the easiest one. So probably something related to JSP or something. I will choose that. So the first option is remote blank archetype, remote Spring MVC blank archetype. And Chelsea project is there, Docker blank archetype is there, Spring Web Flux is there, Spring Sample is there, archetype for Spring Web Apps. So there is a description also. Spring Boot, there is one. So I am going for that one, 8. So if I type 8, again choose a version. So I can choose a version. So the version that are available, the most latest version is 106. I will go with that. Then it will ask for define value property for property group ID. Group ID is something like, we need to mention group ID and artifact ID. So so the main difference between group ID and artifact ID, group ID specifies the ID of the project group, while artifact ID specifies the ID of the project. So in usual cases, usually group ID we will usually mention something like the URL, and in artifact ID we will mention something like test project or something. Test is fine here. Then it will ask for some version. So I'm giving a version of 0.1. Then define value for package codeviz.com. So here, okay, package code is yes. Okay, so we have the project right now. So if I am going here, I can see my test project. So I can move into test project also, and I can see what I have in this one. So there is a pom.xml and src. Probably we will go with okay, we will go with the explorer. So here I have java and I have maven project, I have test, and here we can see there is src here, test is here, java. If I am going with main, there is a package here, and there is some files. Also we can see that files app config is there. There is a spring boot application starting, and also app config, some of the yeah, data source and other things, and there is a controller also. So we can run this project also. Uh, so right now we just create that project, but the next step should be running that project. So if I am going here, before we are going anywhere, we need to inspect that Maven file pom.xml. This is the one that we are more interested. So here, what are the things we have? If we are running build, it will create a jar file that we can run in any environment, but that include a embedded server also, since it is a Spring Boot project, and we have a H2 database and a Lombok is there. So most of the things, most of the dependencies here. So we don't need to do anything to uh, run a JDBC based project. Not JDBC based project. There is an embedded database based project. Also the logging is there. So the advantage of using Maven is we need to give a just what we need. The other dependencies, other files, Maven will add to your project. So we have the option to remove that dependencies or command, whatever we can do. We will go through that in next couple of videos, probably after discussing about some of the basic commands. So thank you for watching this video. Next video I will come with another command. So basically some of the command we need to go more deeply before we are going to a more production based environment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice